In this video, I will show you how to add IDM extension to Chrome. First, go to Google and search for IDM extension is not showing in Chrome. Click on first link if it's official IDM website. I will leave link in description. As you can see that IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. To get real extension, you need to click this link. I will leave it in description as well. It's important to see it has 21 million downloads, so it's real deal. Now click on Add to Chrome. In pop-up also click Add to Chrome. Now click on puzzle besides URL bar and pin IDM extension to Chrome. Now you have IDM extension in Chrome. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.